Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to Coordinators and let's solve another SQL problem. So the problem is Teams powerful power users. This question has been asked in Microsoft and let's go through this problem. So the problem says that write write a query to identify top two power users who sent the highest number of messages on Microsoft Teams in August 2022. Display the IDs of these two users along with the total number of messages they sent. Output the result in descending order based on the count of the messages. Assumptions: no two users have sent same number of messages in August 2022. Okay. So the question says that you have been given a list or data set which consists of users who sent messages to their teammates with date timestamps, and you have to find which user sent the maximum number of messages in August 2022. So this will be your input table and it will consist of message ID, sender ID, receiver's ID, content, and the sent date. So first thing, every a single message will have a unique message ID, and the sender will have their own ID and a receiver will have their own ID. So you have to find who sent the message. So we will focus on sender ID rather than the receiver's ID. Receiver ID is like who receives the message, but I have to find what are the number of like who are the ID who sent the maximum number. Okay. So for example, 3601, this ID sent one message 901. Then again, he sent a message 734, and then again, uh, 922. So like get on a call. Let's take this offline. You up, okay? And these are basically in August, okay? So this is the output. This is how it looks like. So you have to come up with uh, two, or like you have to provide two IDs having the maximum number of messages they sent. Now let's solve this problem. So first we need to do is like let's see what how the data looks like. So select star from our table, which is a message table. So let's execute this code and let's see. So we have this list of these are the list we have total messages. Okay. Now first thing what we have to do, we have to filter. Okay. So we have to just focus on the data which belongs to August 2022. So we'll write a where condition where date. So we have a date column, sent date. So if you can see, this will have also the timestamp. So I will extract only the date part. So I'll take date, select date, and for August, I will specify the August dates, start and end date. So if date is greater than equals to what 1st of August, so 2022, then we will have what other dates we have. Okay, so 2022, I think this is the format we have. Okay, and send it should be smaller than. Okay, so I'll use first. Okay, so it should be greater than 1st of August, greater than or equal to, and less than or equals to 31st of August. So I'll write 31st here. Okay, now let's execute this code. Okay, so we like extracted the code and we left with this much of data. Now what we have to do is we have to find the user ID which is having the maximum number of messages sent. So for that we'll use the group by clause. So I need a sender ID, and then the count of messages, okay, or content they send. So count of content, and I'll do a group by on sender ID, and let's execute this one. So we can see sender ID 4500 have one count, 3600 one have four count, 2520 have three count. So what we need to do, we need to take the top two, okay, with descending order. Okay, so I'll do an order by what? I have to do an order by the content. So I'll do this order by content descending, and I'll go with limit 2. Okay, so let's execute the code. So we have this 3601 and 2520. Now one more thing I guess I'm missing. It should have message count. Okay, yeah. As per the question, it said that display the IDs of the two. Total number of messages they sent. The output and result should be sent over on this. Okay, I should have mentioned that. Ah, yeah. Total number of message count. With total number of message count they sent. So let's write uh, message count. Okay, cool. Let's execute the code. Let's submit this. Okay, it's executed and submitted. So yeah, we have done with this problem. If you have any doubt, please post in the comment section. And if you like the video, do give us a thumbs up. Thanks everyone. Happy coding.